I just finished bringing out the feed that I'll be taking to the farm, so I had to close the door for security reasons. A bag of feed costs 30,000 plus, so I can't afford to be careless about my storehouse. For security reasons. Bags of feed the farm today. So the keke man is already coming. I had to run east side to change my clothes. Second name is Speed. He can use 1 minute to pack everything into the keke naped. Here comes the tricycle driver. That's my competent, trusted keke naped driver. This man is so consistent. If you call him 6 a.m. in the morning, maybe I have a work to do in the farm that needs me to be in the farm 6 a.m. Just call him. He will not even pick your call. Immediately he's seeing the call, he will just know, oh, they want me to come. Under 3 minutes, he's at your doorstep. So I was here waiting for him to pack the feed. He's so fast in arranging the feed into the keke. So yeah, he's done packing the feed. I was following him, right behind him. Yeah, I am inside the keke naped. For those that don't know what keke naped is, in Nigeria, we call tricycle keke naped. So this is the easiest means of transportation, because for you to get a boat, that's a cab that will take you to the farm, is very stressful. So we use keke naped. Everywhere is still cloudy. Here is about some minutes past 7 a.m. Sometimes 7 a.m. is sunny, but right here everywhere is still covered with dew. So that's how we are. That's how we go to the farm every day. I'm very close to the farm here. I'm at the farm. Yo, you can't carry. Hi, buddy. Good morning.